You already chat with customers on Respond.io. Now you can do voice calls from the same inbox. This helps your team respond faster, keep conversations in one place, and deliver high-quality service. On Respond.io, voice calls work with WhatsApp and VoIP channels. To make an outbound call, click the phone icon at the top and choose the channel you want to use. With VoIP, you can make or receive calls without needing permission from your contacts. This helps you reach any mobile or landline number easily. On WhatsApp, you need the customer's permission before starting a call. To ask for permission, select the channel and click Request Permission to Call. If the conversation window is closed, the channel will appear grayed out. You can only send a permission request while the conversation window is still open. Once the customer approves, you can call them at any time. However, WhatsApp has a limit where you can only make 5 outbound calls to the same contact within 24 hours. When you receive an incoming call, you will hear a ringtone and see a green dot in the Incoming Calls tab. Click the Incoming Calls tab to open a pop-up where you can answer or decline the call. When a call ends, you can see its details in the conversation history. You will see the call time, who started or received it, its status, whether answered or missed, permission updates, and call duration. If you're an agent and receive multiple calls at once, you might miss some of them. To see all your recent missed calls, go to the Calls tab and filter by missed and newest calls so you can follow up quickly. If you are a manager, you can view and filter call activity for a specific time period using the Call Activities panel on the right. But for a complete overview of your team's call activity, go to the Reports module. In the Reports module, click the Calls tab. Here, you can see how many calls your team is handling by checking total incoming calls, outgoing calls, and average call duration. The charts below shows how many incoming calls were answered or missed, and how many outgoing calls were answered or not answered. For example, if you see too many missed calls on Mondays, you might decide to add more agents that day to handle calls. You can also use the heat map to see the busiest hours or days for incoming calls. To analyze calls even further, you can apply these filters. Voice calling is already available in your workspace. Simply connect the voice channel you want and follow the guided setup. If you have questions or encounter any issues during setup, contact support or visit our help center.